What's going on, guys? Today we have an unboxing video and kind of a pickup haul from the outlets. I just went to Sacramento yesterday, came back today, and I picked up a few different things and had a lot of packages that I came home to. So the reason I'm starting this is I would have felt kind of bad if I opened all these packages and just really opened it by myself, not really showing love to the people that sent them to me. I don't really know who sent some of them, but I guess we'll find out based on like what's in the box or in the package or anything like that. So have been wanting to start a YouTube for a really long time, you know, always watching people like Jockslade or Nightwing2303 doing unboxings and reviews. So today's kind of my first stab at it. So we're gonna be unboxing a couple different products that people sent to me. So first one here, not really sure who it is. It looks like it's coming from Long Beach. This one just came in today. Box is a little bit messed up, so I don't know if that's like the mail people's fault or what's going on, but we're gonna get this thing opened up and see what's inside. Hey, clearly it is my first time unboxing because I can't even like really slice these things open properly. Let's see. Okay, it's starting to look like a hoodie. Hopefully you guys can see that. Hopefully it's not too in and out of focus. Oh, okay, it's actually my stuff. I had no idea that they're coming in the mail. Okay, sick. So this is actually gonna be a drop that I'm gonna do maybe in the next couple months. These are the samples of my own hoodies. So that's actually super cool. I haven't seen these in person yet. Didn't even think they were coming so fast. I think they just sent it like the other day. So let's check these out. So here it says to live and prosper. Just kind of something I like to go by like when I'm ending my journals, just to remind myself like what the goal of life is. Like we don't want to just survive, we want to actually thrive and, you know, live a good life. So here's a dark gray one. Probably gonna end up running this one, but let's see how the light gray one looks. But actually the hoodie's super soft. Like I don't know if you guys can see that. Might be a little too bright. Let me turn it down real quick. So you can see it looks pretty soft. I'll try it on later, but just because I'm mic'd up and everything. But let's open this light gray one up. I actually really like how it turned out. I ran these long sleeves a little bit before, like in purple. I can probably leave a little picture in the video, but to live and prosper was a little bit too big. So just trying to mess with the size a little bit. Can you see? The lighting's a little off again, but you can't really tell like the design with a light gray one. So I think that's where I lean towards the dark gray. See, this pops a lot nicer than the light gray one, but we'll see. I mean, luckily I have both, but let me know what you guys think, which one you guys like better, and if you guys would cop one, because I'm probably gonna drop these in a couple months, or probably next month, to be honest. This one is from Collect and Select, one of the best Bay Area brands, best shorts in the game. Not sure what they sent me. I have an idea just because of their latest release. So yeah, it's exactly what I thought it was. Dude, honestly guys, if you guys haven't heard of Collect and Select, best basketball shorts in the game. These ones are gonna be the Minnesota Timberwolves ones. Super clean, super good quality. Look at these guys. These are fire. Sorry about the lighting, it's making the white pop a little bit, but super dope shorts, super clean. I literally wear a pair of Collect and Select shorts every single day just because I have so many now. Shout out to Collect and Select for sending these over, always showing love, but you know, one of the big Bay Area brands that I really mess with and believe in. So looking forward to continue building with them. You know, we have a couple photo shoots lined up and all that. So you guys will probably see that after this video drops. This one is from, okay. I think this one's from my friend Jazzy. I think she just started her own clothing brand recently, and she hit me up on Instagram asking if she could send me some product. Let's see, On Mamas. Here we go. That's pretty tough. There we go. That's pretty fire. Let's see what it says. Hopefully you can see that. I'm not gonna read it just because I'm probably gonna read it all wrong anyway. So there we go. This is pretty dope. I want to say she probably drew this. Oh, she left a little note too. From CYO games to watch parties at your crib, it's been super tight to witness the journey and really see your growth, your creativity, and just you being a solid ass dude will take you places beyond the map. Appreciate that. You're making everyone proud, but besides that, you're doing your thing. I hope this tee fits well. Please let me know what you think of it. Stay safe and big love to the fam. From Jazz. super dope. Appreciate you, Jazz, for sending the package over and for the nice words. Let's see what we got here. Little long sleeve. That's dope. On Mamas. Got, let's see. That right there. It's funny because I actually saw somebody wearing this today in Oakland. I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up from Oakland today. I was at Famous Hot Boys, and today's Halloween, so they did something super cool. I'll talk about it a little bit later just to show you guys what's going on, but super dope. I'm definitely gonna be rocking this like on my streams and everything, so shout out to Jazz for sending this over. Okay, we have a big box. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the outlet real quick. Clean little Nike hoodie, kind of like a burgundy maroonish color, only $40, so not bad at all. Then we just got some workout shorts. I think these were $20, so something light, nothing too crazy. And my favorite pickup from the Adidas store, I tweeted on Twitter that Adidas outlets are better than Nike outlets. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not saying Adidas is better than Nike, but their outlets definitely better. They always have better deals, better finds. So personally, I like Adidas outlets a little bit better. But here we have the Temper Runs. Super clean shoe, Temper Runs again. A little Adiprene outsole or midsole. Here we go. But yeah, it's looking like kind of like a Miami Hurricanes color, like the college and all that. So super dope to me. It's kind of like a dad shoe. But I mean, these were going for, so regular price $110, outlet price $80, and then with an additional like 50% off, it came up to $40. Then my brother-in-law, he's part of the military, so he had an extra 20% off, and it came up to like $31. So $31 for a pair of these. I think these came out 2014 originally, and then they re-released in 2018. So super happy about this find. Honestly, it's kind of a weird shoe, but I think we'll be able to make it work. So personally, I'm into a little bit like weird shoes. That's what my girlfriend says and all that, at least. So we'll find a way to rock it. So next one we have is from Footlocker. Look at this big box. Doesn't even really fit on my desk, but you have the, let me cover that just in case, but the Because Sneakers tape, super big box. So let's get into it. There we go. But yeah, shout out to Footlocker. They've been sending me a lot of really cool shoes, so I'm super excited to see what's inside this one. Just gonna throw this on the chair real quick. Just such a big box. Boom. Really big fan of really cool boxes, so Because Sneakers here. Little basketball box. This thing is huge. So super dope. Open this up. Okay, let me show you guys what this says first. Little DIY hoop. Here we go. Basically the assembly of like how to put the box together to make a hoop here. Super cool, and it came with some basketballs, so let me show you guys that. Some basketballs here. Look at this, we got a little Funko Pop. Big fan of the Funko, so appreciate you Footlocker for sending this over. Little Bugs Bunny King. That's super fire. 80 years of Bugs Bunny. Definitely gonna be adding this to my collection. Special edition too, so that's fire. We got the little cards here. Let's see, Converse and Footlocker. Let's see, Footlocker and Converse are so excited to be celebrating 80 years of Bugs Bunny. To kick off the festivities in style, we've hooked you up with a pair of Converse Bugs Bunny kicks. They'll be available online and in store at Footlocker on October 27th. Shout out to Footlocker for these. A little card here, just from Footlocker Because Sneakers. Let's get into the actual shoes. So let me show you guys right here how it's looking in the box. I mean, a little carrot paper, green and orange. Oh, what's this? It's an Amazon gift card. Look, enjoy the show, Bugs Bunny. Little Amazon card. Let's see. Hey, gotta get this open. There we go. Peel off for claim code. Okay. Hopefully I didn't show anything that's gonna make you guys steal that, but oh well. Okay, they got the paper in the shoe. These are super dope. This is a nice color. Little Bugs Bunny hit on the back. It's like a little suede material. We got the paper inside. super clean. So green paper in this one, got the bugs on the back, carrot here. That's a super clean touch. What's up, doc? These are fire. I like these. I like these a lot. The laces are super nice, super soft. Yeah, these are clean. Shout out to Footlocker. And we have one more thing in the box. We got some popcorn. Look at this. Gourmet microwave popcorn. I'm actually a very big popcorn fan, so I might destroy these tonight, to be honest. So I think that's all that's in the box. More paper, and that's so like you can make the DIY hoop. Here we go. Thank you so much again to Footlocker, sending over some really dope stuff. I mean, we got some popcorn, the Funko, big Funko fan, so definitely going to be adding that to the shelf. And then we have one more package. So this one's super cool. So for the people that don't know, I'm a pretty big gamer. Have played video games essentially my entire life. You know, ran a bunch of different shooters, just a lot of different video games in general. So today, coming back home from Sacramento, me and my girlfriend decided to stop by Oakland. We went to world famous Hot Boys, a little hot chicken spot, and it was gonna be our first time. And we were a little confused because we were driving past the restaurant, right? And it said Clucking Bell. And I'm like, okay, that looks kind of familiar, but like, that's not world famous Hot Boys, right? Being that today is Halloween, they decided to dress up world famous Hot Boys as Clucking Bell. And for the people that don't know, that's actually the chicken spot in Grand Theft Auto. All the Grand Theft Auto games, they have a Clucking Bell. So they basically just brought a Grand Theft Auto restaurant to life in real life. So it's super dope. And we're just going through like all the stuff that they had in the windows. They had like different posters with like the GTA font, and you know, wanted posters of I forget the guy's last name, but Travis, one of the main characters in like Grand Theft Auto 5, I believe, wanted poster basically saying not to serve him. But they also were selling different pairs of or not different pairs of shoes, but they were selling shoes outside of the store. So if you ordered it, you got this pair of shoes and wings. So it was like a little combo. So let's get right into this. So we see here we have like the scratch and sniff chicken. So if you really scratch and just sniff it, it smells like fried chicken. So it's super dope. Very nice touch to just like add to the packaging and all that. And then the paper says Boy Worldwide. I think this is the people that made the shoe. So here we go. It's like a little knockoff Air Jordan 1. Super dope. I mean, I honestly may not even wear them, to be honest with you guys, but it was just such a cool moment to just find the chicken spot disguised as a Clucking Bell restaurant. So it was just a cool moment that I wanted to have a souvenir on. So they did a good job of like taking my money and just like making me buy something because of the experience that they created. So let me show you guys here. Obviously Air Jordan 1 silhouette, but they have a little chicken wing thing here. That's the Boy Worldwide logo. But Boy Air, we had a little chicken wing, and then just all these different colors. We have red, like a brown, yellow. And then once we get into the actual shoe, like on the actual inside, coleslaw. We have a coleslaw insole. There we go, focus up a little bit. So just a nice little touch, not something that many people will see just like looking into the shoe, but you know, it's all about the details. So I think they did a pretty good job, and the materials, like, they're actually pretty good materials. Obviously it's not going to be up to par with like an actual Air Jordan, but they did a good job for what it is. And like, again, just the experience of having a shoe for the restaurant and like their event for Halloween, basically, it's super dope. And like, people just get to take home different souvenirs. They were also selling t-shirts, so super cool. Like I said, I may not ever rock them. I mean, I'll try them on and like see if I like them on foot, but we'll see. I didn't get a chance to try them on. Just wanted to grab a pair just because I thought it was a really cool moment, especially for a gamer, especially for somebody that loves food, and you know, just combining the two interests. I thought it was super cool. Let's see. Also, take a look at the box. Cock-a-doodle-doo. It's super funny because like at the restaurant, all of their shirts said like taste the cock or something like that. So off the chicken sandwich moves, but a little bit, you know, there's some different implications off the word. But yeah, a lot of different stuff we unboxed today. Just wanted to really show you guys what we have. I thought it was some super cool stuff. I didn't even realize I was gonna have my sample hoodies come in or anything like that. But let me know what you guys think about this video. Obviously, it's my first time doing like an unboxing or starting a YouTube channel. Don't really have a space for like where I want to shoot my video, so I'm just shooting at my workspace. I'll give you guys a tour of that sometime. Just like a corner of the garage, but you know, we have some pretty cool stuff here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think, and if you guys want me to do more unboxings. You know, the more packages I get, I definitely want to show love to the people that sent it. So shout out to Jazz, shout out to Collect and Select, shout out to Footlocker. I mean, shout out to world famous Hot Boys. I bought these, but you know, super cool moment. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any feedback, you know, on the audio, the sound, anything really, just let me know. I'm always trying to get better. I'll try to be posting at least one video a week from here on out, just trying to find new ways to push myself. So, you know, just trying to keep building, trying to keep growing, but always, you know, trying to do something new in quarantine, trying to do something that I've never done before. And that's in like starting a YouTube channel, doing unboxings, and, you know, doing the things that I like to watch, but also just like creating it for myself, you know, as I'm getting a little bit older and trying to explore different interests. So appreciate all the love. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that subscribe button for me. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.